Hi, this video was brought to you in part by my lack of art skill and the ability to use Google search. Okay, thanks, bye.
So, if you are watching this, then that means that you are very clearly interested in my cool and exciting justice-related example of interaction design. In that case, you're probably wondering, what is it? How does it work? Well, my artifact is a 2D morality-based online video game that for now I will simply call Choice. In this game, you play as a character that is locked in some kind of challenge room. These rooms can range from platforming to having to kill a series of monsters, but there is always a clear goal for you to reach, whatever it is. However, there is a catch. You are not alone in these rooms. Instead, you are grouped up with a number of other individuals who are also playing the game at the same time as you. Here is where the morality aspect of the game kicks in. Players have the ability to both help or harm the people they're grouped with. For instance, let's imagine that you're in a platforming level with a bunch of platforms you can't quite reach from the start. Players could assist you by throwing you up to the platform, or they could hurt you by, well, throwing you off the platform. In both cases, these players will have their morality meter adjusted to account for these actions. A complex algorithm behind the scenes takes note of which actions assist other players and which hurt others, or are used simply for the player's amusement to troll their teammates. Then, upon beating a level, a player will net morality points for either the nice end of the spectrum or the mean end. When entering into the next level, that player will be grouped with players of a similar morality rating, and the game will continue. But Aaron, you exclaim, won't this eventually just level out? I mean, it'll just end up with trolls being grouped up with trolls, and nice people being grouped up with nice people, right? Wrong. While the goals in this game are always clear, and helping our teammates is generally seen as a positive attribute, your morals will also be challenged as you play. There may be levels where finishing faster than your teammates gives you a cool item, or where a second group of players is introduced for you to face off against, but you're told that betraying your initial group and siding with the others will give you some crazy cool benefit. I'm being vague here because, of course, this game is still just a concept, but you get the idea. Sometimes it may not always be in your best interest to help your teammates, and in situations like those, will you still help them? Questions like that will drive the motivation of the player as they progress through the game. And that, my friends, is Choice.